I'm not overstating this when I say this is a super easy, super flavorful noodle salad that can be ready in under 20 minutes. While you boil quick cook ramen, soba, or udon noodles, you can whip up a peanut sauce with a handful of ingredients you probably already have in the pantry. It's a blend of creamy, nutty, and savory flavors with a velvety texture courtesy of the smooth peanut butter, which is perfectly balanced with the umami depth of soy sauce or tamari. The addition of rice vinegar introduces a zesty tang, while a hint of sweetness comes from the maple syrup. Then start chopping and adding the fresh vegetables. The best part is that it's super customizable with any vegetables you have available. However, the fresh crunch is vital for me, so I always add some cabbage, either red or green, and shredded carrots to ensure this meal comes together fast. Edamame is also a great addition, as is some scallions, spinach, and cilantro. Mix it with the noodles and you have a filling, refreshing, and delicious lunch or dinner served hot or cold. Don't forget to top with some peanuts, lime wedges, and red pepper flakes for a delicious garnish. Eat more nuts and twigs by visiting nutsandtwigs.com.